What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at 500 gig SSD. So if you are needing extra space and you need something fast, whether you're a photographer or you need extra storage for your phone, or if you need storage for your computer, maybe you want to download some movies, games, or photos, then this may be something that you're looking for. So let's open this up and then we're going to go over the specs. So this is going to be the FP80. It's a 500 gig SSD. That's going to be a storage drive, very fast storage drive. It doesn't have a movable disk. So this is something that reads and writes really, really fast. So let's go ahead and get this open. Once you open up the box, the first thing that you're going to be seeing is the user manual. Now they provide you with two different cables. Now the cables are important. Cables determine your read and write speed. So if you want to achieve that max speed of 2050, it's going to be the USB-C to USB-C. Now, when you go from USB-C to USB-A, that connection is going to cut down your speed in almost half. So these are going to be USB 3.2 rated cables. So this is going to give you your faster transfer speed. So that way you can reach your top speed that your drive can produce. And what is really cool is that these are even labeled. So if you get confused, you want to say, hey, what is my fastest cable? It's labeled right here on the USB-C, 20 gigs per second on there. And then on your USB-A, you're looking at 10 gigs per second. So that way, you know, the USB-C to USB-C is going to be your faster cable. The USB-C to USB-A is going to be your slower cable. And this is going to be the SSD. So this is going to be your hard drive. This is really compact. You can see right there the connection for the USB-C. And this is going to be a metal casing. And that way, any heat that it produces, it could disperse that heat really fast. And this is going to be a nice and portable case for you to take on the go if you need to take this with you. And also, this is nice to cut down on clutter. So if you want to have this at your desk, you can easily put this in either out of sight or in a position to where you can easily disconnect and connect the SSD. Now, to get this connected is really easy. I have an iPhone here, and what we're going to do is we're going to get this connected, and then we're going to do a speed test so you can see the actual speed. So to achieve the fastest speed, we want to use our USB-C. Just easily connect it just like that. And then the other end is just going to go inside the phone. So we have the FP80 Pro. And we can see that it is working. And it was almost instant as soon as I plugged in the drive. Now we can start our speed test. Now, after some testing, these are the results that I was getting from my iPhone. And this is what I was getting from my PC. Now, results is going to vary. I'm going to say depending on your setup. Also, again, depending on how you're going to be connecting. Overall, this is going to be a great SSD. I'm going to use this for my Xbox because, once again, this could be used with multiple devices. Well, guys, this is going to be the FP80 500 gig external SSD. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.